You're probably wondering how I made all these. I live in a world with endless ideas, and it takes a lot of creativity. Even Hazel can't sit still. She knows the fun starts when I power up this Htv론트 H17 phone case heat press. What's cool? Ready, set, and go! Coffee drips takes forever, but this? A sharp print feels even richer than the picture. Orders blow up my phone. Phone cases, badges, pet tags, ceramic plates, you name it, I print it. From one press to 1,000 creations, I'm making something people want. They are so happy. Can I get one with my pet? My favorite anime? And just like that, their world becomes part of mine. 1,000 creations, all mine! I started with just my ideas, and with a single press, I create like a millionaire. Your hustle, your way. Oh, and by the way, it comes in 3 colors.